Hello kids, and welcome back to our episode on learning about foods from around the world. So, are you ready? Then let's go!
You're watching Teacher T Kids English TV.
Oh, hi kids! I am so hungry today and I'm trying some of my new ramen all the way from... Let's find out! Poland, pierogi. Turkey, baklava. Jordan, shawarma. Morocco, couscous. South Africa, biltong. South Korea, kimchi. Japan, ramen. China, dumplings. Thailand, tom yum soup. Australia, Vegemite's toast. That was so much fun, kids, learning about foods from around the world, part 2. Now you know where you can find tasty ramen just like mine. See you soon, kids. In our next episode, we will be looking at some more foods from around the world, part 3. Tune in and find out. See you soon, kids.